Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to cover you about cloud fresher job openings. You may be from the AWS, DevOps, Azure, Google Cloud, SRE. You may be from any of this domain, guys. You can easily apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now. And moreover, if you're a fresher, if you're a complete fresher, you don't have any experience, or you may be from the any different backgrounds. Okay, you may be from any different education backgrounds, or you may be from the any branches, any degrees, and you may be from the any passed out batches, guys. Not a problem. You can apply to this job openings. Moreover, I'm clearly telling once again, you may be from the any batches, like you may be from the 2024, 23, 22, 21, 20, 2019 batch can also apply to this job openings. Okay, for career gaps candidate also you can apply, not a problem. Next is, if you are already working in the IT sector and if you want to switch your domain into this field, particularly into the AWS, Azure, DevOps, as well as SRE domains, you can apply, not a problem. Okay, so without wasting much time, we'll directly jump into the job section. Okay, before showing you the job, today I want to tell you one more important thing, guys. If any one of you, or if your friends, or if your any one of your friends or a family members who want to join into the IT industry, okay, that here, if anyone of your friends or a family members or a colleagues want to join into the Accenture company, here is the golden opportunity for you guys. I have bought a referral for you guys. You can refer to any of your friends, or you can refer to any family members who is having at least 2.5 years of experience. I'm telling once again, if your friends or colleagues, whom it may be whomever, it may be the male or a female, don't know, we don't have any problems. But the thing is, they should have at least 2.5 years of experience. It may be in any domains, guys. We have in the Accenture company, we are referring to all the positions. Nearly it has 2000 vacancies. So I'm referring to all the positions. So what you need to do is you can just contact me either at this LinkedIn. Okay, just go to the community in my YouTube section. You can directly click on this link. Okay, it will be redirected to a person, my friend. Okay, you can directly ask him referral. Otherwise, as usual, you can just message me on the Instagram handle. Okay, I will be giving you the referral for the Accenture company for the experienced candidate. Okay. One more thing is, the fake candidates are not encouraged. I'm telling you clearly. Okay. So this was the first important thing. Now we'll directly get into the job section. Okay. Here the first company comes from the company called Auto Rabbit. The company name itself is a Auto Rabbit Holding. Okay. Remember the point. Here this company is mainly hiring for the position of site reliability engineer. Okay, by looking at this position, please, I'm telling freshers, don't get confused. It's apply to all. It may be AWS, it may be Azure fresher, or you may be DevOps fresher. You may be, it applies to all, guys. Here in the job description, they have clearly mentioned. Okay, I'm going to show you. So please, requesting everyone to please watch this video completely till the end, so that you will be understanding the job openings clearly. Okay, so here, as you can see, the position name is Site Reliability Engineer. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. And moreover, you can see this is a full-time job opportunity. And look at this. This is completely entry level. They have clearly mentioned entry level means it's for the fresher. Okay. Here they have given the profile about the job position and everything. And here they have given the job role, everything. I'm not going to read. I'm going to just read about the desired skill. Okay. That is very important. Here, as you can see, freshers who are trained or have good knowledge on below. If you are very good trained at DevOps, Python, or databases, SQL, Jenkins, FlexCD, CI/CD, it may be a public cloud they have mentioned. You may be the AWS fresher, you may be the DevOps fresher, or you may be the Azure fresher. Not a problem. You can apply. And if you know Terraform, Elasticsearch, okay, and you should be having good problem solving skills, as well as you should be ready to work in shift. This is the main things. So they have clearly mentioned what are the skills they are expecting from a fresher. So please, you may be the any fresher, guys. You can apply to this job opening. Okay. And moreover, look at the education. What they're expecting from is bachelor's in computers or any related field. You may be from any degree, guys. As I've already told you, you may be from BTech, ME, MTech, or you may be from the BSc, BCom, BBA. You may be from any degrees. Not a problem. You can apply. Here they have clearly mentioned year of passing is 2022, 23, 2024. So they are mainly hiring for past three batches. Remember the point. Okay. Experience they have mentioned clearly freshers. Okay. Location is Hyderabad. Okay. And this is moreover hybrid. This is a complete hybrid job. Sorry, this is not a complete hybrid job. 3 days from the office and 2 days from the work from home. So they have clearly mentioned everything. Okay. Hope you get this job clearly. Here how you need to apply is you can just apply through the Indeed, or you need to fill this form complete. Okay, the what are the red marks are there, that is compulsory. So you need to fill everything and you need to send your application. Okay, so this was the first job opportunity for you guys. Now the second one comes from the LinkedIn. Okay, in LinkedIn there is a one person. He is a DevOps engineer. His name is Sharan Raj. Okay, he is mainly hiring for his company. His company name is Spark Out Tech Solutions. Okay, as you can see, he is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps interns. He is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer trainee. The job location is Coimbatore and the experience is fresher. This is completely for the fresher. So if you are interested, you need to send your resume to Chandrika at sparkouttech.com. So he has shared HR email ID. So you need to send your resume to this email ID. So this is the second job opportunity for you. Okay. So the location is Coimbatore. Remember the point. Okay. So now let's get into the third job opportunity. The third comes from the here. The third one is also from the LinkedIn. There is one HR. Her name is Harpreet Kaur. Okay. As you can see, she is mainly, her company name is Mass Global Services. She is urgently hiring. This is completely for the immediate joiners, guys. I'm telling you, immediate joiners. As they have clearly mentioned, urgently hiring DevOps engineer to join our team. Okay, so she is mainly hiring for two positions. First is DevOps engineer, and the second one is network engineer. Okay, if you're a DevOps engineer, at least completed your 6 months of any institution training, or if you have done some internship experience, or if you have done some at least your projects, good project from the YouTube or from the Udemy, not a problem. You can apply. But the thing is, you should be mentioned. You should have mentioned some solid projects in your resume. That is very important, guys. I'm telling you. Okay, so the position she has mentioned is 0 to zero point 0.6 to 1 year of experience. And look at this. Immediate joiners are highly preferred. See, if you are ready to join in your 1 or 2 days, you are highly preferred. Interested candidates can share your CV at info@massglobalservices.com, or you can directly call. They have given their call number also. I'm telling you, they have given their number. See, if you don't get the response, you can directly call and ask to them. Okay, so you can you can share their resume multiple times to them. Okay, so that is also option is there. So they have given their contact number and their email ID also. So please take utilize of it. Okay, so the skills they have mentioned is AWS server management. You should be mentioning these skills in your resume. This is very, very important. Okay, remember the point. They have clearly mentioned you should be knowing AWS service management as well as Linux operating system. The location is Ahmedabad. Okay, so you need to send your resume at info@massglobalservices.com. This is their info email ID. You need to send your email ID. You need to send your resume to this email ID, and if you want the response, you can just call and have the inquiry with them. Okay, so this was the third job opportunity for you guys. And one more important thing is, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm requesting everyone, please guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is my daily job updates channel where I will be daily uploading videos for you guys. So I'm requesting everyone to please subscribe and watch this video. And if you are for first time to my channel, look at this. Here how covered the AWS fresher. It's not just for the AWS. It includes for the Azure as well as a GCP, SRE, DevOps job openings. Okay, this completely contains 33 videos. And moreover, if you are experienced person looking in the jobs in the domain of cloud, here look at this. I have created a playlist for that also. So you can utilize this. There are 5 videos in this. And if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you, you need to just send me an invitation link at this Instagram handle, Vishwa Karkalle. This is my Instagram handle. Okay, just send me the invitation. and you can just message me like this, guys. If you message me now, it will be very easy for me to send a links for you guys. See, this person has mentioned very clearly AWS and DevOps fresher. See, if you send me the message, it will be very clear, so that, oh, this person need links for this AWS fresher, so I need to send. So I'll be sending the links completely free for you like this. Please understand and send me the message. Okay. So this was the one other important thing. Now the fourth one comes from here. The fourth one is from the company called Granitas. The company name itself is a Granitas. Okay. They are mainly hiring for the position of Bengaluru. Sorry. They are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. The position they are hiring is DevOps engineer. The location is Bengaluru. Moreover, look at this. This is completely for the platform engineering and DevOps, and this is completely hybrid, guys. Full time, as well as they have mentioned hybrid. Hybrid means 3 days you'll be in the office and 2 days you'll be having work from home job opportunity. Okay. So here they have mentioned about everything about the roles and responsibility, what you're going to do. And here we'll directly read about what you'll be bringing to this job. Bachelor degree in computer science or relevant experience. See, here you should have completed your degree. That is very important. And 1+ years of software or operation support. Here, I'm telling you, freshers, please don't get confused. If you're a fresher, you don't have any experience, also apply. Because many of the companies, what they do is, they will be looking for the 1 year of candidate. If they don't find the right candidate, okay, if they don't find a right candidate with the suitable skills, they will be hiring for the freshers. So you should to hire you should have a very excellent skills, or you should have done some very good hands-on experience. So I'm telling you, please apply. Before applying, make sure that your resume is very good. Please try to modify your resume as according to the job description, and add some solid projects in your resume, so you will be getting response. Okay. So freshers or internship candidate, experienced candidate can also apply to this job opening. Effective communication skills for working across supports and engineering departments. See, here you should be having very good communication skills. That mainly for the supporting, as well as to support the engineering departments. Basic understanding of programs, scripting languages. Here you should have at least basics. It may be the shell, or it may be the bash, or it may be the Python. It's no choice. Basic understanding with cloud hosting such as AWS or Microsoft. Here they have clearly mentioned you should be very good at you may be good at AWS, or you may be good at Azure. Basic understanding of virtualized environments. Here you should also have at least knowledge on the virtualized environments. Basic knowledge of source control system, GitHub and GitLab if preferred. Here they have mentioned source control is GitHub as well as GitLab. Remember this point. Here they haven't mentioned about the CI/CD Jenkins pipelines. They have mentioned GitLab. Remember this. Passion for security and identifying opportunities to improve security and testing. Here you should be having the passion for the security. So these are the things which they have mentioned for the requirements of this job opening. So how we need to apply for this job opening is just click on this apply for this job section. Okay, you will be redirected to the applying the position. So this was the fourth job opportunity for you guys. Now the last one, okay, here the last one is from the company called Vertos. Okay, the company name itself is a Vertos. By looking at this position, don't fear, guys. I'm telling you, it is completely for the freshers. I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show the experience level also. Senior DevOps engineer. Here they have mentioned Vertos company. Look at the position it's from the Mumbai, and the posted on 27th of December 2023. But still this position is vacant. Okay, you can apply. So we'll get into this everything. We are looking out for a senior DevOps who should have good hands-on experience on Linux and DevOps tools. Here, this position is mainly for the see, here they have mentioned senior, but look at the work experience 1. If we are fresher also apply, not a problem, guys, because if they are hiring for the 1 year of experience candidate, they will be looking out for at least fresher also. If you are very good at skills, or if you are having very good skills, and if you have done some solid projects, they will definitely hiring you. I'm telling you 100% sure, because many of the times it happened with me same times. So that's why, based on my experience, I'm telling you for the freshers. Okay. So here the mentioned work experience is 1 to 3 years of experience, and the city is Mumbai, the state is Maharashtra. Okay. So Here they have mentioned what are the roles and responsibility or what are the work you are going to do when you join this company. But we'll directly reading the requirements. Here you should be very good at Linux. That is very important, guys. Here you should be good at Linux. You should know the Linux. Strong fundamentals of Linux is necessary. AWS or any cloud infrastructure. They haven't mentioned any specific. You may be good at AWS, you may be good at Azure, you may be good at Google Cloud or Oracle, your choice. Shell scripting or Python or PHP knowledge is mandatory. Here you should know at least one scripting language. It may be the Shell, it may be the Python, or it may be the PHP. It's your choice. Virtualization, VMware or KVM. Preferred is KVM. Does not count if VirtualBox or Oracle is mentioned. Here they have clearly specified that virtualization, that too mainly KVM. So they are looking for the candidates who are very good at KVM. Okay, and good knowledge of LVM, RAID, bind, Nginx, IP tables. RAID is Apache Tomcat. So you should be knowing what is RAID, what is LVM, bind, Nginx. See, if you don't know also, you can learn all these topics in just one day, guys. You can finish off this all the topics. So please mention this in your resume and apply. Okay, I'm telling you, willingness to work in 24 into 7 environment. So that will be, you'll be having rotational shift maybe. Okay, so be prepared for that. Must be able to follow and execute instructions, specified user guides, monitor and troubleshoot system. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should ready to follow the instructions. First, that is a point. The next is you'll be monitoring and you should be having the skills of troubleshooting. The next is should have knowledge on Apache Kafka, Hadoop, web server, and a Storm. Here they have mentioned at least see this is for the fresher guys. So at least you should have basic knowledge or intermediate knowledge on Apache Kafka, Hadoop, web server, and a Storm. Okay. If you don't know all the four, at least you should know two. That is very important. Should have knowledge on databases like Redis, MySQL, NoSQL, MariaDB, Vertica. You should have a knowledge on databases like they have clearly mentioned Redis, MySQL, NoSQL, MariaDB as well as Vertica. Should have good networking knowledge. Networking is very mandatory, and as many of them says that it's a foundation or it's a fundamental for the DevOps engineer. You should know Linux, you should know networking, you should know databases. These three are fundamental basics for DevOps engineer. So please, if you don't know, learn it and try to mention and elaborate this in your resume. Knowledge of automation tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, version control, Kubernetes, Docker preferred. Here they have clearly mentioned automation tools like Jenkins, Ansible. You should be knowing, or it may be you may be knowing Chef or Puppet. That is fine. You should know the version control, that is Git, GitHub, and you should know about the Docker and Kubernetes. And must be able to document activities and procedures, etc. Here you should be knowing the you should know about the documents activities also. And benefits: no dress code, flexible working hours, 5 days. So they have clearly mentioned everything. So please look at yourself and try to apply for this job opening. So how we need to apply? Just click on this I'm interested position. Okay. Click on this I'm interested position and you are going to apply for this job opening. So these are the job openings which I wanted to show you guys. If you are looking for any other job openings in any other domains in upcoming days, please mention me in the comment section. I'll be happy to bring all the job openings for you guys. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.